your passwords, your banking info, your personal photos. That is the actual price you pay for using a free Windows activator. If you activated your Windows using KMS tools, scripts, or cracks, you didn't get Windows for free. You just gave a silent hacker permission to use your PC for crypto mining, or worse, session hijacking. Your digital security is worth way more than a free license. So when you build or buy a new PC, you're usually forced to choose between three frustrating paths. Do you sacrifice your privacy and digital safety just to have an activated operating system? Do you shell out Microsoft's extremely high retail price of over $200, which, let's be honest, is not a viable option for everyone? Or do you just run Windows 11 Pro unactivated and try to live with the annoying limitations Microsoft forces on your system? None of these sound like a good choice, right? I'm Mostafa from Valley 4 Techs, and as an IT senior working in this industry since 2008, I'm here to show you a perfect fourth option: how to get a 100% genuine legal license for under $15 without risking your safety or your wallet. That solution is Keysfan. Now, some of you might think, Mostafa, if cracks are dangerous, why don't I just use Windows 11 without activating it? It's free to download, right? Yes, you can, but you'll be stuck in unactivated limbo. First, you'll have that highly annoying Activate Windows watermark permanently burned onto the bottom right of your screen. It shows up in games, during movies, and honestly, it looks incredibly unprofessional if you do any screen sharing, streaming, or Zoom calls. Second, Microsoft completely locks you out of personalization settings. No custom wallpapers, no dark mode, no lock screen customization. But most importantly, while you might get basic updates, unactivated versions often miss out on critical security patches and optional updates over time. It's like driving a brand new car, but being locked out of the dashboard settings. It's just not a complete, reliable experience. So, if cracks are a security nightmare and leaving it unactivated is highly restrictive, how can Keysfan sell genuine keys for just $15? Is it a scam? Actually, no. It's all about the license type. Keysfan deals primarily in OEM, original equipment manufacturer, and volume licenses. These are genuine, legal keys issued by Microsoft in bulk to major PC builders like Dell, HP, or Lenovo. When these companies have an unused surplus of licenses, Keysfan buys them in massive quantities at wholesale prices and passes the savings to you. They are 100% legal, and they activate permanently. The only difference? A retail key can be transferred to a new PC, while an OEM key locks to your motherboard. For a 90% discount, that's a trade-off that makes perfect sense. Let me show you exactly how the purchase works, so you can see how straightforward and secure it is. Click the official link in my description below to go directly to the Windows 11 Pro page. Now, to create an account, click on Sign In or Register at the top. A page will open with two options: Registered Customer for those who already have an account, and New Customer for new registrations. Click the Create an Account button. Now, fill in your information step by step. Enter your first and last name. Choose an easy-to-understand username. Email address. Enter your real email address. This is very important because you will receive your keys there. Password. Choose a strong password. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. The website will tell you if it's strong or weak. Confirm. Password. Re-enter the same password. You can subscribe to their mailing list or to their remote shopping assistance. Finally, click the Create an Account button. You now have an activated account on the Keysfan store. Let's go back to the Windows 11 Pro page by clicking the link I've put in the description box. Check out the details. Genuine key, online activation, lifetime license for one device. The original price was over $200, and after the discount, it's now approximately $30. Now, click the Add to Cart button. Great! The product has been added to your cart. You can click Continue Shopping to continue shopping if you want Office or other programs, or click View Cart to complete your purchase. We'll click View Cart now. A new page will appear showing a summary of your purchase. Just click the Proceed to Checkout button. And here's the big moment. Valley Fortex audience deserves the best. Look for the Enter Discount Code field. It's on the right, below the order summary. Type exactly Valley 50, lowercase letters, no spaces. Then click Apply Discount. Boom! Look at the difference. The price was $30, now it's $15. 50% discount successfully applied. This coupon is exclusive to our channel's audience. Use it before it expires. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who needs genuine Windows at the lowest price. Now we fill in the invoice details. Because the product is digital, there is no physical shipping, but the store needs the address for the invoice and taxes. Enter first name and last name. These are usually automatically added from your account information on the store. Enter street address. This field is important if you are buying physical products, as this is the address to which the product will be shipped. Enter the name of the city you live in, such as New York, Cairo, etc. Enter zip or postal code. If you don't have one, enter 5 zeros or your city code. Enter the name of your country, such as United States of America, Egypt, etc. Enter your mobile phone number with the country code. Finally, click the Update button. You will notice that the Place Order button has been activated. Click it to continue the purchase process. We've reached the final step, payment. Keysfan supports several secure payment methods. Option 1, PayPal. If you prefer PayPal, select it and click Pay Now. This will take you to the PayPal page to log into your account and confirm the payment. Options 2 and 4, credit card, Visa, or MasterCard. The difference between the two options is that the second option supports Google Pay and Apple Pay. Option 3, pay with crypto. If you prefer to pay with the cryptocurrency USD, use this option. 1 USD equals $1. In my case, I will choose the second payment method, and then click the Pay Now button. Enter the card number, expiry date, and the CVV code on the back of the card. Don't worry, Keysfan uses secure and encrypted payment gateways, which is something I always make sure to check as an IT professional. After you've confirmed everything, final price, email, address, click Pay. Congratulations! Your order was successful. Once confirmed, you don't have to wait for shipping. You'll receive your unique 25-digit activation key in your email inbox within minutes. Be sure to check your spam folder just in case. Now go to the inbox of the email address you registered with Keysfan. You will find an email from them containing order confirmation. Product key, a string of letters and numbers. Activation instructions. Copy the key and let's activate Windows 11 Pro. Now that you have your key, let's activate Windows the official, secure way. No scripts, no shady software. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Click on System in the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on Activation. Click on Change Product Key. Paste your 25-digit key from Keysfan, click Next, and then Activate. In seconds, you'll see the confirmation. Windows is activated. No watermark, full personalization, and 100% security. That is how you secure your PC, support official software, and get rid of that annoying watermark, all for the price of a couple of coffees. And remember, if you need productivity tools, you can use code VALLEY62 to get 62% off on Microsoft Office suites on Keysfan as well. Plus, they offer 24/7 customer support if you ever need help. All the official links and discount codes are in the description box below. If this video helped you save money and secure your PC, hit that like button and subscribe to Valley 4 Techs for more honest, professional tech guides. I'm Mustafa Aman, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.